First, let me show you this Lingyun colorway. This color is truly unique. The first time I saw it, it immediately reminded me of Black Myth, Wukong, that traditional Chinese aesthetic. The back panel looks like an ink wash painting, and when light hits it, you get a gradient from red to ink black. From this angle, wow, it really looks amazing. Next, let me show you this Legend colorway. This is a classic for iQOO, but as you can see, there's now a tricolor flag on top. What does that mean? A brand new starting point. The camera module still uses the family style ID design. The key thing is, if you look at the camera module from the side, doesn't it look like it's floating? That's because there's a light inside. Yep, that's right. This generation, they've hidden the light inside. It looks more premium. The side features a right-angled matte metal frame, and on the front, a large flat display, plus an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. This year, when I first got the iQOO, my first impression was the obvious improvement in build quality. After using it for days, the first highlight is this Samsung 2K Everest display. What makes a good screen? It's crystal clear. This 2K LED OLED, co-developed by iQOO and Samsung, surprised me. We tested its manual brightness. Everyone, it can reach over 1,100 nits. And the key point is, no matter which angle I look from, the brightness difference on this screen is extremely small. It's honestly unbelievable. And even with 2K resolution and high brightness, it still maintains very low power consumption because iQOO removed the polarizing layer. After receiving positive feedback, they wanted to make our experience even better. So this phone has 3 light sensors, all to give you a better automatic brightness adjustment. It comes with an AR screen protector applied at the factory, anti-reflective coating. With full screen AOD, always on display, its low power consumption means no battery drain. When you swipe the screen, almost no ghosting, especially scrolling through comments on Douyin. The first time you tap and swipe, the performance is excellent. Why? Peak brightness is high enough, and they've implemented hardware-level light protection. It automatically detects screen content, intelligently adjusting blue light and brightness. So what do you think? Gaming experience has taken another step forward. Specs: Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Q3 gaming chip. We'll skip the rest. Let's jump into a half hour of high-quality Genshin Impact. Running that familiar, the first step is using the Q3 chip to bring ray tracing to mobile games. So now, let's turn on ray tracing in this game and let you all experience it. Look, this is with it off, and this is with it on. Check out the reflections on the ground. See that? Wow, it just looks so much more vibrant and realistic. This is the first time I've experienced this on a mobile game, and honestly, it really brings mobile game graphics up to the level of a high-end PC game. This is impressive. iQOO really has something here. Let me show you again. Look at the grass. It's off right now, and now I'll turn it on. Off, on. So satisfying. The second step is super resolution and super frame rate. iQOO's super resolution and super frame rate are amazing. Now, with the iQOO 15, you can enable 2K resolution plus 144Hz super resolution and super frame rate simultaneously in top FPS games like Game for Peace and Crossfire. For games like Honkai, Star Rail, and Genshin Impact, it can handle 2K resolution at 90 frames per second at the same time. You can really see with your own eyes how much smoother and clearer it is. For Honor of Kings, iQOO directly brings native 144 FPS plus added ultra-sensitive zone touch controls. Simply put, your joystick area responds independently. Skills and the map both respond. Every area feels responsive, natural in your hands. Third step, motor, meaning one X-axis and one Z-axis motor. So what's the point? Let's take gaming as an example. In Honor of Kings, using Marco Polo's skill, dragging left or right gives different vibration feedback. Personally, I love playing QQ Speed. Drifting in-game gives me a sensation of friction, just like actual driving. It's amazing. Since there are 2 motors, even in daily use, like making or receiving calls, vibration alerts are much more noticeable. When it comes to the speakers, I think no amount of explanation can compare to just playing Fairy for everyone directly. With you and me. So how about it? It uses the 1511 on both top and bottom, focusing on symmetry, so you can hear spatial audio through external speakers. Third highlight, a performance-focused phone can have great imaging. Let's talk specs. Yes, you read that right. The iQOO 15 comes with a periscope telephoto lens and full focal length portrait mode. It has live portrait photos, features AIGC algorithms. For telephoto, it has landscape and portrait modes, with a default output of 50 megapixels. A custom Honor of Kings dimensional transparent card. Other specs, I'll put them on screen. Huge battery, super fast.